another episode of LesBcookin808. Today we're going to make chicken and squash with the green squash. It's called the hiltong. We went ahead and peeled it. We took out the big seeds. If you don't have any seeds or small seeds, you can just cut them up. We're going to add garlic, ginger, the squash. You can cut them as big as you want, small as you want. And then we have some chicken. So we have the pot that's on a little over medium. We just kind of add a little bit of oil. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and add all the chicken into the pot. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and add the garlic to that. So we added the chicken and the garlic, then we're going to add salt, then the pepper, again, to your liking. And we're just going to go ahead and get this chicken cooked, and I'll be right back. We got the squash, we're going to go ahead and cut it, totally what you want, the size you want. Chicken, we used cut up just chicken thighs. You can use whatever chicken you want, breast, boneless, skinless, chicken thighs. We just went ahead and used the chopped up bone-in thighs, and then it's a little over halfway cooked. So we're gonna go ahead and add the squash. Again, the amount of squash is totally up to you. So the squash is gonna absorb all that chicken juice, that chicken flavor. Okay. So we're gonna add all the squash, and then we'll just cover it and let it cook. I forgot to mention that at this time you can go ahead and I just went ahead and peeled and sliced up some ginger. It's optional, you don't have to put ginger in here, but I like the ginger taste, so we'll put the ginger inside. Some people put pati, some people put shoyu. We're just going to keep it simple. So it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. You want to make sure that you cook it till the chicken's cooked through and then the squash is cooked. You can see that there's some of the water that came out of the squash, so it creates a broth. You can eat it like this, it's totally fine. We like it a little bit more soupy, so we're going to add a little bit of water to this. Add a little bit of water to this. Okay. And then you kind of just also wanna taste it. Taste the broth. See it has enough seasoning. Okay. Adjust to your liking. So because we added the broth, it diluted the flavor a little bit, so we're just gonna add a little bit more salt. Again, at this point, some people, you can add whatever you want. You can add shoyu, you can add patis, you can add tomatoes, you can add brown onion. But this is just chicken and squash. Okay, so we'll taste it again. Get another spoon. Ooh, flavor is good. So you can see that the squash is cooked. The smaller you cut it, the quicker it cooks. So that's basically it, chicken and squash, and we'll actually serve it over rice. So we turn off the fire, we got a bowl of rice here. Just gonna ladle some of this on here. Look at that. Chicken, squash. Yummy. Let's get more squash in here. Okay, get more broth. So there it is. 4th be with you. So we're using, this Portuguese doesn't know how to use lightsaber chopsticks.
Oh, it's good.
Good? Yeah? How about you use a spoon? No?
What about you use a fork? Get some of this chicken. Or not.
Good.
Good.
Chicken is good.